Hi everybody, today we're doing an unboxing of something super exciting, and I just literally got it off my front door. Ugh. And this was from like a lady that was selling in one of those Hermes Facebook groups. However, I did not purchase it through the Facebook group. I purchased it through eBay just because it has more of like that guarantee. So this is how it looks. Came with all this bubble wrapping. Right off the bat, I'm a little disappointed because it said it came full set. So, like, where is the full set? I'm gonna have to reach out to the seller. But here is the bag. Ta-da! This is the Hermes Kelly Rouge Casaque 28. Okay, so it's got the dust bag, the clochette, and the strap in here. But there's no box. What is that? That's a little disappointing. And then comes with stickers still. Oh my god, this color is so pretty. And right off the bat, I can tell that it's already like much bigger than my 25 up here. Let me, oh, and it still has the stickers on the straps. Ooh, it's actually not that big that I thought about it, but yes, this is in the Cellier Kelly 28. I've never owned a 28, so I'm so not familiar with it. Let me do a quick comparison. Here is my 25 and here is my 28. Oh, you can tell that it doesn't stand up anymore. Is that normal? I'm not sure. There's like some tarnishing on the hardware and like some black marks on the leather itself, so maybe just like some TLC. But yeah, like the handle is not standing up compared to this one. So I'm gonna have to reach out to the seller about this. But yes, this is just like a quick unboxing. This is how it looks. And I will do like a comparison and a better in-depth review. And here's a quick mod shot. Well, let me just back up. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Follow me and subscribe, and I'll leave all my socials down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!